okay? Or is this better? So is this okay? Or is this better? So here's the mount that I use to take those shots with the Osmo Pocket. Now you can easily mount it on your tripod, selfie stick, or your GoPro mount. Lots of ways to use it, so let's check it out. My friend Von Jet and I designed this mount. It's got some nice features. It's compact, lightweight, and made out of 3D plastic. The Osmo Pocket slides in like this and doesn't slip out. Has a standard 1/4 inch screw hole for a tripod mount, and a wide slot to connect the charging cable and not cover the noise reduction mic, GoPro mount on the back, and access to the memory card. It also makes the Osmo Pocket more stable on a flat surface. So here it is on a tripod, a selfie stick, and GoPro mount. Now here's one other cool way to use this with your phone and a selfie stick. If you're at a concert, you might want to try this. So here's a quick video on how I have the Osmo Pocket mounted to the selfie stick. Here's the Osmo Pocket installed on the mount, installed at the end of the selfie stick. Here's my phone, and there's a GoPro mount connected to the handle, and then all you need is an extension cable. So I happen to have an iPhone, so I just bought an iPhone extension cable that's 3 feet long, and then all you have to do is just connect it to the end here. And there you go. Easy. So if you might be interested in getting this mount, check out the description below. Might try that one more time. Don't really want to. Coming up this hill here. Try it again. Making these videos is not easy, by the way, guys. Requires exercise, not just sitting in front of a computer and editing all day long, all night long. Alright, so let's try this again. Catch my breath. Alright, here we go.